Hello students, in today's class from chapter 11 mensuration, we will continue from question number 7. So the question number 7, let us read and understand, then we'll do this. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter squared is rupees 4. So for us it is given the building is in the shape of rhombus. They have given the building is in the shape of rhombus. So it requires 3000 tiles it has. And its diagonals are 45 and 30 centimeter. Find the total cost. We know that it is shape is rhombus. So first we substitute area of rhombus formula, area of one rhombus tile. Then we find area of 3000 tiles. Then for 3000 tiles, we have to find the cost in such a way 1 meter squared 4 rupees means what is the area of 3000 tiles? For that, what will be the cost? Let us do it. So in the sum, based on the sum, we write now. It is given in the shape of rhombus. So first we write the shape. Tiles are in shape of rhombus. And what is given? Diagonals. Both the diagonal. D1 is 45 centimeter and D2 is 30 centimeter. These two they have given. So now we find area of one tile. Area of one tile. So what is area of rhombus formula? Half into D1 into D2. So we substitute now. Half into 45 into 30. 2 will go in 13, 15 times. So we have 45 multiplied by 15. Which is 15 5s are 75, 5 carry 7, 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 7, 67, 675 centimeter square. So what we found at present is area of one tile. But in the question they have given how many tiles total given? 3000 tiles. So we write now given total number of tiles. Total number of tiles is 3000. Tiles is required. Total number of tiles is 3000. So now, area of one tile is 675 centimeters square. In that room, you have, the floor has 3000 tiles. That means, what is the total area of tiles? Therefore, total area of tiles. Total area of 3000 tiles. That is, we are going to find what is area of floor. So, one tile area 675 centimeters square. Totally you have 3000 tiles. So, total area of 3000 tile is 675 multiplied by 3000 centimeter squared. 675 centimeters squared into 3000. So, when we multiply 3 zeros, 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22, carry 2. 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20. 2025,000 centimeter square. Now what is given? Cost per meter squared is rupees 4. Therefore, cost per, now what we have to find? 202500 centimeter squared. So first we convert the centimeter squared into meter squared. So we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So I am going to show you in the rough part. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. What do you mean by 1 meter squared? 1 meter into 1 meter, which is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which is 1 followed by 4 zeros centimeter squared. So cost per centimeter, this much what we have found. We will convert it into 20251230 divided by 1 followed by 40 to convert it into meter squared. Multiplied by 4 rupees. Because this is per meter squared, 4 rupees is given. Now 3 zeros get cancelled. So we have 2025 by 10 into 4. Shall we take 2 table? 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. And 5 will go here, 5 4s are 20. The 2 will not go 0, 4 not 5. So 4 not 5 into 2 is 9. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. 810 rupees. So we have found cost of polishing the floor. Therefore, cost of polishing the floor with 3000 tiles. It has 3000 tiles, is it not? So with 3000 tile is rupees 810. This is our solution. So for us, first what we are studying in the statement problem, we write in which shape the question is given and what information is given. Based on the shape, we write the formula and substitute the values given and we do the calculation part. Now, whenever you have to convert it into different unit, you should do it in the rough part and you should show. Here, it is in centimeter squared, but the question is given as cost per meter squared is 4. So the area what we found is in centimeter squared. So we should convert it. So we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter squared is what do you mean by it? 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So 1 followed by 4 zeros centimeter square. So we convert that centimeter squared into meter squared by dividing it. And they have given cost per meter squared is 4 rupees. So what is the cost we found? That we multiplied by 4, which is 810 rupees. So cost of polishing the floor with 3000 tiles is 810 rupees. Okay. So we'll move on to the question number 8. Now in question number 8, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters squared and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of side along the river. So first, here they have given you the diagram, we will analyze it. So, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. This shaded part you can see here, no? This is trapezium shaped field. One side he has a road and one side he has a river. So in the trapezium shaped field, you know the sides are parallel, no? So this parallel sides, how it has a shape, its side along the river is parallel to and twice along the side of the road. So if we consider its side along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. If along the road, if he has x measurement, along the river it has 2x because it is twice. And this total area is given as 10,500. And the perpendicular distance between the parallel side is 100. So this distance is 100. Find the length of side along the river. So along the river, what is this length of the side we have to find. So hope you would have understood now how we got x and 2x. The question it is given, its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So twice the side along the road means, so if you keep the side on the road is x, side on the river it will become 2x because it has become twice. So now we will use trapezium formula, substitute what are the information we get. We find the value of x, the road value, and then 2x, the length of side along the river. Now let us assume let length of side along the road is x. Given side along the river is twice the side along the road. So what happens? Therefore, side along the river, we can assume it as 2x because we assumed side along the road is x. So side along the river will become 2x. And also given distance between two parallel sides is equal to 100 meter. And they have given area of this field. Area of this field. Field is in which shape? Trapezium shape. So this area of this field, which is in the shape of trapezium, is 10,500 meters square. Now we will write what is area of this trapezium field formula. So area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by perpendicular distance between parallel side. This is the formula. Perpendicular distance between parallel side. So this area is equal to 10,500. Now let us substitute the values. Half into sum of parallel side. Sum of parallel side is the side along the river and along the road. So x plus 2x multiplied by perpendicular distance between them is given as 100 equal to 10,500. Now when we simplify, x plus 2x will become 3x. This 2 will go in 100. It will become 50 times. 3x into 50 is 10,500. So 3x into 50 is how much? 150x is 10,500. Therefore, x will become 10,500 divided by 150. 1 0 get cancelled. Now 15 will go in 105 7 times and 1 0 is there. So 70 meter. But what is x for us? Therefore, length of side along the road, we have taken it as x, which is 70 meter. Also, length of side along the river. Along the river we consider it as 2x, which is 2 into 70, 140 meter. Okay. So here your assumption should be correct to understand and do the sum correctly. So first we take length of the side along the road is x. And they have given for us side along the river is 2 times side along the road. So we consider it as 2x. And also given distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter. Then area of this field is 10,500 meters square. But area of this field in the shape of trapezium, the formula is half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between them. That is x half into x plus 2x into 100 is 10,500. On simplification, we get x is equal to 70 meter. That is length of side along the road is 70. But they have asked us find the length of side along the river, which is 2x, which is 140 meter. And the sum is one of the important sum for your exam. So please keep practicing once or twice, watch this video and get clarity and do it correctly. Now let us move on to question number 9. In question number 9, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. You can see on the question number 9 side, you have a figure octagon. Octagon means how many sides? Number of side is 8. Number of side is 8. Find the area of octagonal surface. So we can see here the diagram with the measurement given 11 meter and it has given 4 meter and the side of the octagon, one of the side is 5 meter. Now let us do the sum. Now in the question it is given as regular octagon. Regular octagon means what it means? It has all sides equal. Octagon. All sides equal, which is equal to 5 meter. And the diagram is given like this. Now in this regular octagon, I can draw a line like this so that this octagon has been divided into one trapezium and here another trapezium and in between we have one measurement of rectangle. Are you able to understand clearly? See here, this ABCH is a trapezium with AB is parallel to HC and the parallel sides are 11 meter and 5 meter with the height distance perpendicular distance is 4 meter. Similarly in the base FEDH also a trapezium with 5 meter 11 meter as non-parallel sides and the perpendicular distance is 4 meter. And between we have area of a rectangle which is of length 11 meter, breadth 5 meter. So to find area of the full regular octagon, we can find the area of true trapezium and the area of rectangle together gives you area of octagon. Hope you would have understood the diagram. I will explain once again. The full octagon has been divided into 3 parts. ABCH is a trapezium with the 2 parallel sides 5 meter and 11 meter with the perpendicular distance 4 meter. Similarly in the base also FEDG is a trapezium with the 2 parallel sides 11 meter and 5 meter with the perpendicular distance 4 meter. And in between we have a rectangle of length 11 meter and breadth 5 meter. So to find the area of regular octagon, we should sum up, add up area of trapezium 1, area of rectangle, area of second trapezium. Okay. So we do the sum now. So we write now first area of octagon can be found as area of trapezium ABCH plus below trapezium you have area of trapezium GDEF plus one rectangle we have in between HCDG. So we use the formula now and we substitute. So we know area of trapezium. Now we write area of trapezium ABCH is as same as area of trapezium GDEF. Both the trapeziums are equal. So which we write half into A plus B into H, which is, so if I consider this both the areas are equal, no? So how do I find half into, the parallel sides are 5 plus 11 and the perpendicular distance is 4. So this will become 16 into 2 because 2 will go in 4 2 times. 16 2s are 32 centimeter square. Then I have to find area of rectangle HCDG, which is length into breadth, that is 11 into 5, 55 centimeter square. So we take this as second equation. Now substitute all the thing in the given formula. Therefore, area of octagon what we did? Area of trapezium ABCH plus area of trapezium GDEF plus rectangle HCDG. Now we substitute. So area of trapezium ABCH, what we got? 32, and this is same as that 32. Then rectangle is 55. So when we add 32 plus 32, 64 plus 55. So 64 plus 55, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 5, 11, 109 centimeters squared. So it's given in meter, so it should be in meter square. So area of octagon is 109 meters square. So we have done with area of octagon. We have the given diagram. We are octagon formula we don't know. So what we are doing it? In octagon, the upper two parts we are considering it as trapezium, and in between we have a rectangle. We know trapezium formula and rectangle formula. So we are finding area of both the trapezium plus area of rectangle. Add up, sum it up, we get full area of octagon. So in that way we have completed question number 9. So practice it 2 or 3 times. You watch this video. Still if you have any difficulty, you can get clarified through WhatsApp. Next. Now we'll do question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into 2 different ways. Find the area of this park using both the ways. Can you suggest some other way to finding its area? So what is given? There is a pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides? 5 sides. And here it is not given regular pentagon. That is why you can see, no? The measurements, there is a pentagonal shaped park. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided into 2 different ways. That is, Jyoti's diagram is, she has divided into equal half. But Kavita divided into 1 triangle and 1 square. So we have to find out any other way of finding this area. Now this pentagon, each people, one is from Jyoti's diagram. From Jyoti's diagram, it has been divided into 2 trapezium. Okay. So we will write now, for this area of pentagon is divided into area of trapezium ABCD plus trapezium ADEF. It has been divided into 2 trapezium. So we find area of trapezium. So what is this area of trapezium ABCD? Half into 15 plus 30 into 7.5. It is given. Measurement is given for us. Similarly, half into 15 plus 30 into 7.5. That is 15. No, 15 by 2 we have to take. That is why we got it as 7.5. So I can tell you now, in this, CE is given as 15. So what is CD? 15 by 2, which is 7.5. That is what we have taken here. So this will become half into 15 plus 30. 45 into 7.5 plus half into 45 into 7.5. So this is half into half, no? So I can multiply it easily. So I can do it as 337.5 meters square. Next, Kavita's diagram. This is of Kavita. Kavita, how she had splitted this 1 triangle and 1 square. So by Kavita, area of pentagon is area of triangle AB plus area of square BCDE. Now area of triangle ABE is what? Half into base into height. And area of a square is side into side. So we substitute now. That is half into base is 15, height is also 15. Plus side is what? 15 into 15. So here we get 15, 15 to 225. 225 by 2, 112.5. 15, 15s are 225, which is 337.5 meter square. So both, either if you split it into two trapezium or one triangle or square, both we are getting the same answer. So we have find the area of pentagon as 337.5 meter square. But our question is, also you able to find any other way. So we are going to check it out now, how we are going to do. So that one, the pentagon what is given? This is like one triangle, and even here one more triangle. You can see it here. We can find it into two parts. So I am going to say now, if you consider A, B, C, D, E. This is 15 meter. Here also 15 meter. Now, it is given now, the full measurement is 30 meter. So when this is 15, this height also 15, is it not? So now we are going to say, area of pentagon is equal to area of triangle EDC plus area of trapezium ABCE. Because you can see this diagram here. Does it look like these two are parallel sides? These are non-parallel sides. So this will become one trapezium and this will become one triangle. So we can do it like that also. So area of pentagon is equal to area of triangle EDC plus area of trapezium ABCE. Also we can find it out. Now next. Now we have come for the last sum in this exercise. The diagram of adjacent picture frame has outer dimension. So you have a picture frame. You can see here inside in the shape of rectangle and outside you have a bigger rectangle. So the diagram of adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 and 28, that is length and breadth, and the inner dimension 16 and 20. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So now, I am going to make you to complete as homework. I will give you a clue. You try. If not, we will do it in the next video. See now, this is in the shape of trapezium. Are you able to see the sections? Each one, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to consider this as trapezium, where the parallel sides are 16 and 24. So what should be the height? We should think it over. So think logically, try to get the solution and submit to me through WhatsApp. If not, we will do it in the next video. So this question number 11 is like your activity and your homework for you. Complete this. We'll meet in the next video with your clarification of doubts and continue with the next exercise.